In 2018, Vicky Phelan became a household name in Ireland after winning a High Court case against a US laboratory that was subcontracted by Cervical Check, the National Cervical Screening Programme, after colossal failures in their Cervical Check screening programme came to attention.
Count Corla, what happened to so many women and their families should not have happened, and I apologise to all those hurt or wronged, and we vow now to make sure that it never happens to anyone else ever again.
Vicky, along with others, have established 221 Plus, a support group for women and families affected by the scandal. She is now living with terminal cervical cancer.
As soon as this virus, started to come into the news, I started reading everything about it. Because obviously, I have cancer, and I know that a lot of these viruses do affect people with a weakened immune system. And I also have a daughter who has an underlying medical condition. So, it's not just for me that I have to do this, it's for her. So I'm always kind of, I suppose, clued in when there's anything new that comes on stream, because of the fact that there's two of us in our household that have underlying medical conditions. The problem is that, up to 80% of people, if they get this, will be fine. But, there is that 20%, and I'm in that category, that, you can get a very severe form of this disease. And I know already, with the drug that I'm on, pembrolizumab, one of the side effects of this drug is very similar to one of the things that happens with the coronavirus, which is pneumonitis, where you develop problems with your lungs. So, already I'm at a disadvantage in that drug that I'm on. It will already, weaken my ability to fight that. So, it is a very real issue for me at the moment.
How does that make you feel that this might disrupt your life for the foreseeable future, for the next few months?
It's difficult, this is an unprecedented situation that we find ourselves in. One of the difficult decisions I've had to make, and I made it last week actually. We were supposed to go to see a Liverpool match this weekend in Anfield, and I made a decision last week, ever before the cases started increasing here in Ireland, to cancel that, because I just thought, I'm not going to put myself in a situation where we're in airports and in a big stadium with lots of people, not just for myself, but for bringing it back to Ireland. I was thinking of other people as well, and I think we all need to do a bit more of that by thinking of other people that you might actually, you may not, get it yourself, but what if my son got it and was a carrier and brought it back and transmitted it to somebody who wasn't able to fight it? So we have to think of other people, and that's the reality.